Ever wondered how a simple eraser can make your mistakes disappear? Stick around to uncover 15 surprising facts about this everyday tool. Fact 1. The first erasers were made of bread. Before rubber erasers, people used moist bread to remove pencil marks. Imagine erasing your notes with a piece of bread. Fact 2. The accidental discovery of rubber erasers. In 1770, English engineer Edward Nairn accidentally picked up a piece of rubber instead of breadcrumbs and discovered its erasing properties. This happy accident led to the rubber erasers we use today. Fact 3. The term rubber originated from erasers. The word rubber comes from the material's ability to rub out pencil marks. Before that, it was known as gummy elastic or caoutchouc. Fact 4. Charles Goodyear's vulcanization revolution. In 1839, Charles Goodyear invented vulcanization, a process that made rubber more durable and elastic, significantly improving erasers' quality. Fact 5. The first patented pencil with an eraser. On March 30, 1858, Hyman Lipman received the first patent for attaching an eraser to the end of a pencil, creating the convenient design we know today. Fact 6. Different materials for different erasers. Erasers are made from various materials, including natural and synthetic rubber, vinyl, plastic, and even gum-like substances, each offering unique erasing capabilities. Fact 7. Kneaded erasers for artists. Artists often use kneaded erasers, which have a putty-like consistency. They can be molded into different shapes for precision erasing and don't leave residue. Fact 8. The science behind erasing. When you rub an eraser against paper, friction causes the eraser to become sticky, attracting graphite particles and lifting them off the paper. Fact 9. Erasers around the world. In the UK and other Commonwealth countries, erasers are commonly called rubbers, derived from the material used. Fact 10. Electric erasers for precision. Invented in 1932 by Albert J. Dremel, electric erasers use a rotating eraser head for precise and efficient erasing, popular among artists and engineers. Fact 11. Environmental impact of erasers. Modern erasers are often made from synthetic materials, which can have environmental implications. Some companies are now exploring eco-friendly alternatives. Fact 12. Novelty erasers. Erasers come in various fun shapes and sizes, from animals to food items, making them popular collectibles among students. Fact 13. The largest eraser collection. The largest collection of erasers belongs to P. Triangles from Germany, who has amassed over 19,000 unique erasers since 1981. Fact 14. Erasers in space. Astronauts use special erasers designed to work in zero-gravity environments, ensuring they can correct mistakes while aboard spacecraft. Fact 15. The future of erasers. With advancements in technology, digital erasers in software allow us to correct mistakes effortlessly, but the traditional eraser remains a timeless tool. From their humble beginnings with bread to space-age designs, erasers have a rich and surprising history. Next time you use one, remember the fascinating journey behind this simple yet essential tool.